I'm back with part 5 of our home office renovation with a $1,500 budget. In part 4, we decided to color drench the entire room after building this display cabinet, and now it's time to start adding details to bring this room to life. I found this brass and leather curtain rod on sale and decided to save some money by reusing the existing curtains that we already had. I added some jewelry to the cabinet and closet doors, and I got these knobs in a pack of 10 for $13. I spray painted the air vents so that they would match the walls, and I also added this ceiling medallion, which I color drenched as well. I already had this picture light, so I decided to spray paint this and the frame of the picture that we already had so that they would match, and we hung those on the wall in between the bookcases. We installed a new light fixture, added brass switch plate covers, rolled out a new rug, and are reusing the armchair that we had in here before, which now brings our running total to $1,245. We still have to get this office furnished, and I don't know if we'll be able to make it all under $1,500, but I'm gonna do my best. And I'm starting this journey strong because I found this desk on OfferUp for $100, and I'm going to completely refinish it. So be sure to like and follow for the next part and for more home renovations and DIYs.